In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch NBA games on the ESPN app so you can enjoy live basketball action. Let's get started. To watch NBA games, start by downloading the ESPN app on your smartphone, tablet, or streaming device. Log in with your TV provider credentials or an ESPN Plus subscription, as some games may require it. If prompted, activate the app by visiting espn.com/activate and entering the code displayed on your screen. Once logged in, navigate to the Live Sports section to find the schedule of ongoing or upcoming NBA games. Select the game you want to watch and stream it directly. For smart TVs or devices like Roku or Fire Stick, ensure the ESPN app is installed and activated. For uninterrupted viewing, ensure a stable internet connection. Alternatively, cast the game from your phone to your TV using Chromecast or AirPlay. For offline access, download eligible ESPN Plus content while connected to Wi-Fi and watch later in the Downloads section. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy NBA games on the ESPN app.